Today we're going to be talking about the surface area of pyramids. And the first part we need to do is to label one of these faces as a base and the other as a lateral face. Now remember, the base is usually on the bottom. So this arrow pointing right there, that indicates that this is the base. And lateral face, that just means the side faces. So the ones that run from top to bottom. So this is the lateral face. So go ahead and label that on both pyramids. Base and lateral face. Okay, the second part is it wants us to name the pyramids. So this first one has a square base. So that is called a rectangular pyramid. Okay, it also can be called a tetragonal pyramid, which you might remember from the day we did the 3D nets. Okay, so usually you'll hear it as a rectangular pyramid. You might hear it as a tetragonal as well. This second pyramid has a base that is a triangle, so that is called a triangular pyramid. Okay, here's a hint to help you out with surface area, and that is that all the faces of a pyramid are triangles. And I believe that finding the surface area of pyramids is easier than prisms, which is what we did last time. There's a few reasons I think it's easier, so we'll get into those right now. Okay, so this first example, this has a square base. Okay, that green base right there, and its dimensions are 7 by 7. So the area of a square is 7 times 7, or 7 squared, which would equal 49. So that takes care of that area. Now my other shape going on here is these lateral faces, which are all triangles. Okay, so I'm going to color them pink. Now another thing that makes this easiest is all of these faces are congruent, which means they're exactly the same. So remember, the area of a triangle is found by doing base times height divided by 2. So my base is 7, just like the square, but my height for my triangles is 10. So 7 times 10 divided by 2. And 7 times 10 is 70, and 70 divided by 2 is 35. Okay, so just one triangle is 35 meters squared, but I have 4 triangles that are exactly the same, so I'm going to multiply 35 by 4. You are welcome to use a calculator, which equals 140 meters squared. This is also meters squared. So now I'm going to add my faces and my base together. So 140 plus 49, which equals 189 meters squared. And that is my final answer. All right. So number 2 of the together problems is, you know what? I'm actually going to make this your pause and try, because I want to do one where I draw the net with you. So I'm going to do this number 2 on the pause and try, and I'm going to have, you do these 2 on your own, okay? So I'm going to draw the base, which is a 6 by 5.2. 6 right there. Then we have tall, skinny triangles where the height is 15. And there will be 3 of them. It does not need to be a dotted line. Okay. Um, 6